Hi, my name's Andy. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share a few reasons why folding bikes are a fantastic practical transport solution and why you should consider owning a folding bike. If you already have a full-size bike, or if you've never ridden a bike before, I can guarantee you will love having a folding bike for these reasons. Folding bikes provide a practical transport solution that can be stored in a small space. A folding bike is a great option for anyone wanting a bike that is easy to store. You can store a folding bike in a cupboard, in a vehicle, inside your house, in a camper van, or any other small space without it taking up too much room. Most folding bikes are light enough to pick up and carry up a few stairs, or lift into a vehicle, and take up a lot less space than a full-size bike, making them a perfect option for anyone who lives in a small apartment, van, boat, or caravan. Even though some folding bikes have smaller wheels than traditional full-size bikes, it doesn't mean they're lacking performance. Many folding bikes have gears to increase speed over flat ground and make climbing hills easier. You can add high-performance parts to a folding bike and customize it to your specific needs. Folding bikes, when folded, are often considered luggage and can be carried on different forms of transport, such as in a car, bus, train, or plane. This intermodal transport is not only great for daily commuters who live in big cities, but also those wanting to explore further by incorporating a cycle tour in your overseas adventure. I like to pack my bike and gear within the airline baggage allowance to avoid any extra charges. Using this method, you can take a train, bus, plane, or boat to faraway destinations and use the folding bike to get around while you're there, saving you money on transport costs and giving you the opportunity to mix with the locals. You'll see more interesting sights than just the tourist areas while on a bike, and exploring a new city or country from the ground can offer an entirely different perspective. Folding bikes can be used to carry gear, which makes them a good solution for commuting, but also for longer trips and cycle touring. Racks and bags can be added to your folding bike, so you can carry camping gear and luggage, allowing you to travel greater distances and be more self-sufficient on your adventure. In my experience, I have found that folding bikes can carry a lot of gear and still perform very well. Adding a front carrier to a folding bike will double the amount of gear you can carry and make it easier to take a tent, sleeping bag, food, cooking gear, and everything else you will need for a long bike trip across country. This type of travel, known as bike packing, can be taken to the next level by taking a folding bike that can carry luggage, but also become luggage itself. Folding bikes are easy to maintain and service with simple tools. You can fix almost anything on a folding bike with these 3 tools, and they are not expensive to purchase. A small adjustable spanner, a bike multi-tool with Allen keys, and a bike pump is just about all you will need to keep your folding bike riding great. I'd also recommend carrying a puncture repair kit so you can fix flat tires on the roadside, and perhaps some CRC or WD-40 spray for the chain and moving parts. The ability to fix your own bike will give you the confidence to travel further and ride more, but also save you money and time, which is a win-win in my opinion. Folding bikes are inexpensive. With many second-hand bikes costing less than a train trip, you will be able to find something within your budget. I like riding second-hand folding bikes and customizing them using bike parts sourced from local recycling centers. Many of the parts on folding bikes are interchangeable with other bikes, making it easy to find spare wheels, tires, brakes, seats, gears, and more. The bike I ride now cost me $20 second-hand and has rode thousands of kilometers without any problems. I even took it on a 4-month cycle tour through Europe. If you like this video, go ahead and join the channel memberships to learn the hobo secrets. My name's Andy, thanks to all the channel supporters, and I'll see you in the next episode.